Hello students, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will continue my discussion about some famous colleges of West Bengal. If you missed previous videos of this discussion, click on the I button to get the list and watch one by one. Today's discussion will be about Indian Institute of Social Welfare and Business Management or IISWBM in Kolkata. Indian Institute of Social Welfare and Business Management was established in the year 1953. It was established by a resolution passed by the Senate of University of Calcutta. It was a joint initiative taken by the University of Calcutta, Government of West Bengal and the Government of India. The institution finished 60 years of providing management education in India in the year 2013. The college has a state-of-the-art infrastructure, a strong faculty base, excellent placement records and successful alumni. The college is approved by the AICTE and is affiliated to the University of Calcutta. The IISWBM admissions are based on entrance exam scores and candidates' performance in group discussion and personal interview along with the past academic merit. This institution aims at the development of its students' innovation, inclusive value-based education and research. Most of the college staff holds a PhD level of qualification from the most reputed institution all over the globe. IISWBM has a very good placement record. They provide excellent placement support to their students. IISWBM offers many specializations in addition to the curriculum of the university courses. The mission is to create an effective working environment of the world standards and develop entrepreneurs who add value to society. Indian Institute of Social Welfare and Business Management provides many programs. The PG courses offered under various disciplines are MSW on Community Organization and Development Practice, Correctional Social Work and Labor Welfare. MPhil on Management Studies, Postgraduate Diploma on Broadcast Management, Digital Marketing and Social Media, Integrated Marketing Communication Management, Sports Management, Supply Chain and Logistics Management and Fire Safety Management. MBA on Energy Management, Environment Management, Transportation and Logistics Management, Healthcare and Hospital Management, Business Analytics and Systems Management, Financial Management, Human Resource Management, Marketing Management and Production and Operations Management. This college also offers PGDM or Executive PGDM on Business Analytics. So now let's go through the course eligibility criteria. For MRM or MSW, candidates should have an honors degree or an equivalent in the relevant discipline. For PG diploma, candidates should have completed a degree. He or she will be selected on the basis of marks scored in the entrance exam. For PGDM in business analysis, the candidate should be an undergraduate with an aggregate score of 45% or 50% for reserved. For MBA, the applicant must score a minimum of 50% marks, 45% for reserved in relevant subjects. For EPGM, the candidate must have a minimum of 3 years bachelor degree from a recognized university. For MHRM, the candidate must have secured a minimum of 50%, 45% for reserved category, valid CAT scores. This college also has some entrance exams such as CMAT, CAT and MAT for Masters of Business Administration or MBA, UGC NET entrance exam for Master of Philosophy or MPhil, CMAT, MAT and CAT for Postgraduate Diploma. IISWBM scholarship is provided to the eligible candidates. IISWBM provides scholarships to students who have scored top in either CAT or MAT. The scholarship is available depending on the merit and financial background of the students. Educational loans are also provided to the students based on their necessity. Now let's talk about this college's facilities. Indian Institute of Social Welfare and Business Management provides a well-designed infrastructure like a playground, hostel library, gymnasium, good air condition, well-maintained Wi-Fi enabled campus. Some of the useful features provided by the institution are: IISWBM has a central library that is open access and has a wide variety of print and e-resources. It offers the following services: access to the current issues and back volumes of journals, access to database service, lending services, reference and information service, etc. A Wi-Fi enabled canteen is available on campus for students, staff and faculty to enjoy delicious meals at subsidized prices. Business Intelligence Lab is present 50 workstation and modern audio-visual equipment. Softwares like MIS, DSS tools, SPSS and business analytics tools are available for students to get hands-on experience. The institute has a web-assisted language laboratory which helps students in their communication skills through innovative learning tools. An activity center and gym are also available for the students to utilize. IISWBM has a separate cell that takes care of things related to placement. The cell will be offering professional support for placement and internship for final year students are taken through training to make them prepare for placements. IISWBM placements are done for MBA, MHRM, MRM and MSW courses. The college has a placement cell on the campus which acts as a liaison between the students and the corporate world. Students are offered training, the creation of CVs and placement assistance. Few top recruiters include Tata Consultancy Services, Nelson, Philips, Cognizant, Reliance Industries, Dabur, HDFC, Amazon, Capital First, ITC Limited, etc. There are Events Committee, Alumni Committee and Placement Committee in Indian Institute of Social Welfare and Business Management. The clubs in college like Marketing Club, Finance Club, Sports Club, HR Club, Brochure Club and Photography Clubs are also there. The eventful year starts with freshers and ends with a farewell. The college life is very interesting at IISWBM. This college has inspiration and ideas for historical progress towards quality higher education, management for sustainable energy project, energy security, exportability, efficiency and conservation leads to global sustainability, environment-friendly social support to differently enabled people. Contact number, address, website, email and online admission link of this college is available in this video's description. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Thanks for watching.